Hey guys, Gaurav here. So I have been receiving a lot of messages from people since I started doing YouTube is how beginners can make money. How there are a lot of people who still don't know how they can get started. Although affiliate marketing is super easy once you know how to do it. So I have decided to do a case study today. So right now I am out. I am here to drop my kid to preschool once again. But after going home, I'm going to record a video. I'm going to record a case study of the few promotions I did the few months back and the results I got, and what was the main idea behind those promotions, what kind of funnels I used, and why I selected to promote those products, and how I am promoting the new products and what I am going to do in 2019. A lot of things have been changed. Affiliate marketing, it's not the way it is few years back when you can just build an email list and you can mail them, or you can just send traffic directly to an offer. Now it's really important that you build a relationship. You build more authority, you build the trust, and you have make the believability with your subscribers if you want to make more affiliate sales. The main thing is you need to help your audience, you need to help the people. So I will be recording hi Harleen. So I'll be recording a video once I go back home, and I will be posting it here in maybe in 4-5 hours, and also on YouTube. So thank you so much, and I will see you in 3 hours.